Sharath, I head this In-Orbit Mall in Hyderabad. This is my management team. We have a humble request, something which was not warranted. We tried to provide a unique spinning medal to all our runners this edition. Intention was good. Because of some production and quality checks, we are unable to provide the medals today. Kindly bear with us. Humble request from the management team of In-Orbit Mall. However, we have the same medals, around 70 quantities. We have made photo booths for all of you. There is a professional photographer at each booth. There are volunteers, so you can wear this medal, take your photographs, and all the free photographs will be available. However, in 2 weeks time or less than 2 weeks time, we will have the medals in place. We will communicate to you. We believe you are all consumers of In-Orbit Mall. Whenever you come, you can collect it. You can share your address and we will ship it to you. This was not planned, unintended. Kindly bear with us. On behalf of me and the entire In-Orbit management team, we all sincerely hope you have a great morning and a wonderful run. Thank you for understanding.
పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం వల్ల మీ హెల్త్ బాగుంటుంది. ఎనీ ఫిట్నెస్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ రన్నింగ్, టెన్నిస్, షటిల్, జిమ్, యోగా, ఏదో ఒక పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం వల్ల మన బిజీ షెడ్యూల్లో మన హెల్త్ మన కంట్రోల్ ఉంటుంది. టుడే ఐ విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు దిస్ రన్నర్స్ అండ్ గుడ్ హెల్త్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.